Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products and solutions Victory, meaning victory, innovative investment strategies, SOFAR, Sonifar, and Baumits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies and have helped clients make money regardless of the market conditions. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when, and how it will happen. Which is why we request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is September 2, 2022, Friday. So, first day of option beginning for this week of September 1 to September 8th. BankNifty closed 0.3% up, 39,421, while Nifty closed 17,539.45, remained more or less flat. So, in the last 1 week, BankNifty and Nifty virtually did nothing on the face of it. But if you really see in the underlying, it went up, it came down, it jumped up and down. There were severe extreme movements happening, and even within the day, within 15 minutes there were extreme movements. So it was very difficult for even traders to trade and consistently make money in this market. That is how this market is behaving, which is of course market. That is market. Market is market. So with all these things, we still feel that today, the closing of this week, closing of today's candle in Bank Nifty is a Doji Star, perfect Doji. After a gap up, Doji. So normally, when the next candle after a Doji, if it opens gap down or gap up, if it opens gap down, it will go down. If it opens gap up, normally it will close in the direction in which it opens. So Monday's opening is very important for us to see in which way the market is going. Nifty on the other hand, as we mentioned yesterday, it couldn't cross the 200-day moving, it couldn't cross the Bollinger middle band and also the exponential moving average. It is below that. So hence, like Nifty is struggling while Bank Nifty is slightly above, but it formed a doji. So curiously, we are waiting for today's US payroll announcement and other things, and how the US market is going to behave. Yesterday, as we know, US market formed a reversal candle, solid green candle after going down, but still it is not out of danger because it is significantly down and also it is below the exponential moving average and the and is riding along the Bollinger lower band. Anyway, US market separately will give tomorrow. So with all these things, let us look at the individual components for today. On the banking front, Bandhan Bank, Indus Bank, Yes Bank fell 1%, while Axis Bank, HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank up by 1%. On the finance, Bajaj Finance, Shriram, L&T Finance 1% down, and M&M Finance 1% up. Muthoot Finance, Shriram and L&T Finance 1% down, M&M Finance 1% up. IDFC on the insurance and the cards, IDFC and ICICI General 1% down. Oil and telecom, Reliance fell 1% while Bharti remained flat. We have been telling that Reliance is down, which is why overall Nifty is not able to go up because majority of Nifty components are down. Like HDFC is flat or down. HDFC Bank today it managed to close about 200-day moving 2021 close, but nevertheless it's not that strong. Though today it exhibited some strength. HDFC Bank. Reliance is weak, as I said. On the IT, everything either remained flat or slightly fell. IT and technology, Apple, Coforge and Intellect fell 1%, while all others remained flat. But overall, IT stocks are remaining weak. Infosys, because it took out the last month's close, so we can expect it not to go up in a significant way in this month. So consumer, Trent, Page Industries fell 1%, Pidilite, ITC 1% up. Automobiles, Bajaj Auto, Hero Motors, Maruti, MRF, Tata Motors all fell 1%. TVS Motors up by 1%. Bharat Forge and Escorts up by 2%. Metals, Hindalco and Jindal fell 1%, while others remained flat. Health and Pharma 1% up by Apollo Pharma. Apollo this morning itself, right from the word go, it was moving up. So Apollo Hospitals, it is in a good up move. So one can consider for a long-term view. And the others, Eris, IEX and Indigo Paints and UPL fell 1%, while Delta Corp, IT, L&T moved up by 1%. Adani Ports and India Mart moved up by 2%, while Adani Enterprise had a big jump of 4% after SEBI's decision to include it in the Nifty 50 from September 30th onwards, while Sri Siemens made the way for Adani Enterprise. So with all these things, what do we expect for option expiry next week? We expect, as always, 17,354.10 on the Nifty and 38,654.30 on the BankNifty to remain as a support level, and on the resistance level again 17,922.30 on the upper side for Nifty and 39,933.40 for BankNifty is going to act as a resistance. Thank you very much for watching my video.
Audio Jungle.